My name is Rachel Modoni Njoroge from Technocrats and our app, One Tap. Our theme, our slogan, Smart Farming, Smarter Futures. And why are we doing this? Empowering small-scale farmers in Kenya. The members, George Kasambeli, Sharon Aludeshe, Rachel Moturi, Rachel Njoroge, Marcus Mwambura, and Victor Weru. Our problem statement: unpredictable climate patterns and persistent water scarcity are severely impacting agricultural productivity among small-scale farmers in rural Kenya. This, our focus was on agriculture. Why it mattered to us. The problem matters. This problem of unpredictable climate patterns matters because agriculture is the backbone of the society, and without it, humankind will cease to exist, which is something that we would not want. Looking at our user persona, we find that poor harvests in farmers, with the farmers getting less income, reducing their access to finance also. It also has a spiral effect on industries that depend on raw materials, and also it affects the employment opportunities. And this happens especially with the small scale farmers. Looking at the sector of employment, in rural areas, agriculture is a major employer. It has 70%. Now you can imagine when we have these adverse climate issues. And then the other sector has 30%. Our contribution to the GDP, we have agriculture at 33%, and the other sectors at 67%. Looking at the arid counties, semi-arid counties, and high and medium rainfall counties, you find the bigger percentage lies in the first two, which means we really need this app to be working for these small scale farmers. Our proposed solution, we propose that creating a financing app that predicts weather patterns and educates farmers on smart access agriculture. Why? We choose this solution because it solves three problems and can help farmers mitigate adverse effects of climate change. Looking at our app, we have different screens that are able to guide the farmer from the home screen with the weather forecast, smart farming tips screen. We also have a screen with financing application, and the last one where it confirms that your request has been submitted. Note that each screen is designed to be intuitive with small text as we don't want to burden the farmer, clear icons, and support for both smartphones and USSD. So there's an inclusive aspect where we don't actually discriminate on a farmer who does not have a smartphone. Our user pain points interacting with this app, internet connectivity and their costs, internet connectivity costs, and smartphone use, whereby some farmers do not have smartphones, as I mentioned before. Also, getting used to navigating the app, where we really had to guide the farmers during our interaction with them. Recommendations. We got recommendations to make the wireframe more colorful and also to translate to other languages such as Kiswahili, which is the national language in Kenya. Why this mattered? This is because these changes will be able to make this app more inclusive and effective even for first timers. If we had funding, we will set the piloting in rural targeted areas, partner with a circle or even circles and agri-finance providers, integrate satellite-based drought alerts, power to plan, grow, and also thrive. Returning back to our why, which is very important, our problem matters because agriculture is the backbone of the society, and without it, humankind will cease to exist. So, having this app will enable us ensure that there's sustainability and humankind continue to exist. Thank you.